Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, so that reading may answer some questions or may clear some confusion you may have in your circumstances. So you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Ace of Pentacles in reverse, Nine of Pentacles in reverse and Seven of Swords in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you are someone really successful, you are really doing well in your career, happy for the way things are going. But you are too confident about your skills and talents and you feel that you are the reason for the success. But you need to understand that there will be people who have helped you. So you should not forget them. You should be humble no matter what achievements you have had in your life or you are experiencing in your life today. And maybe the way you are, maybe you are someone who has certain beliefs or ideals and you stick to your rules, you want to do things the right way. So your rigidity may look like your stubbornness or the way you handle it may look like you are being arrogant, trying to trying to impose your ideas on others. So people may see you as using your power and authority to make them do certain things. So that may again create a lot of bitterness with the people you are working with. And they may not trust you, they may not like you because of your attitude or your stubbornness. And same way in this relationship, maybe this person you love, they may feel the same way about you, about this love. They may feel that you are very arrogant or you are very stubborn person trying to do things your own way, you are not listening to them. Maybe they are telling you something important, something that will help you. So you need to listen to them, Gemini, at least once in a way. Maybe they just want you to listen to what they are telling you. You need not follow their ideas. You just have to respect them by listening to them at least once in a while. So they are really hurt. They are they feel that you are avoiding them. You are not respecting them or treating them as your equal in this relationship. So they are in a lot of pain, really hurt in this connection. So we will see what is the card. Seven of Pentacles. So this may be your energy or their energy. Maybe you have a lot of dreams about this person or they may have a lot of dreams about you or a lot of future plans for you or uh, future plans for both of you. So even they love you and they want this relationship to work. But all you need to do is go for clear communication. Maybe just like the way you talk about your ideas and vision, you also need to listen to their ideas and their plans or dreams. That is going to help you a lot in this relationship. So let us see what is the card for your career situation. We have one card, Lovers. So in your work situation, some good opportunity is coming towards you. It may be a partnership or a collaboration, something that is going to help you a lot today, and you are going to see greater success and prosperity in your career situation, Gemini. So that is the energy here with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this second card aside. So for those who chose this card, the Snow Queen, loyalty. So with this card, it just means that in your circumstances today, maybe you are missing someone, missing a friend, or it may be the person you love. You both have been very close and you are missing the friendship you had, the time you spent with each other. And today you feel that this person has vanished from your life forever and they do not care for you at all, but it is only a temporary situation. This person is also definitely thinking of you and they are also coming towards you. Maybe they have left you for some reason, maybe some obsession they had or some troubles in their life. So it was some inevitable circumstances that pulled them away from you, but you are still thinking of them just like you. Even this person is still thinking of you, and you need to let this magic work in your life. So you need to wait, maybe send out your positive intentions, send out your friendly feelings of love and trust towards this person. And even this person is waiting for the right opportunity to come and meet you, and they are definitely coming, and maybe not today but very soon. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading with this card for those who chose this card. So let us see what is the second card for those who chose this second card, to the sea. So with this card in your relationship, it just means that you need to trust the way circumstances are unfolding, maybe the natural pattern of events in your life. There are points in a relationship where you where you have to see where things are flowing, what is the direction. Not always you need to dictate what should happen or what should be the next step or what will be the future. So today you just need to let go of all that anxiety or stress or that interest to steer your relationship towards your goals or your expectations. Instead of all that, you just have to wait and see where your mutual goals and desires steer this ship of this relationship. When you do that, you are going to see where the mutual journey leads this connection, and you need to allow trust and faith to be your guide today in this connection. So that is the energy here. So whatever is bound to happen will unfold in a beautiful way if you just trust in your circumstances, the natural flow of events. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So that is the reading with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.